Now, before I go any further, I want to quickly show you the blueprint that I'm going to be talking about in this course. So there's a few steps for this blueprint. The first step is to create a video, and this is not just any video. The video that you're going to be creating for YouTube is going to be a video that has a good chance of going viral and a good chance of generating a lot of traffic. Now, it's not guaranteed, but there are a few things you can do to make sure that you create a hit video. Okay, so I'll be talking about that in this course.
So what's great
the
about
next thing that you want to do is to direct that traffic to a funnel. So in the description field of your video, you're going to want to put a link to
doing this.
Your
Now,
funnel.
of course, I'm not going to guarantee.
If you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a
I'm not going
process
to guarantee that you'll make money
a
at all.
lead or a customer goes through. So, for example,
work ethic, and I don't
the
know
first
you
page of the
personally,
funnel
but I am confident
could be a
about
page
this
offering a
blueprint,
free
and
gift.
it will help people,
And in return for the free
income
gift,
with YouTube,
the lead has
faster.
to give
So if
you
you are
their
interested in
email
learning
address. So they fill in their email
about
address
this
and
blueprint,
they
watch the
subscribe
following
into your
video,
list. And then
in
the
which
next
I'm gonna
step
talk more about
this
this
funnel
blueprint,
would
and
be
in other
where they
videos. I'm
would
gonna
be
try to
offered
help you
an
implement
upsell or
this
be
blueprint.
presented with
Welcome to
an
this
affiliate
course, and
offer
today
that you're
I'm going to be giving
promoting.
you a blueprint.
Okay,
that
so
you can
basically you're going to
follow
be
to
generating
earn
leads
income
and
on
sales
YouTube.
from
I'm
the
sure you've
funnel.
heard
And then
about
once you
all the
have
success stories
these
of
leads,
people who are
you
making
could
a
promote
living
affiliate
thanks
products to them
YouTube.
on a
I'm sure you've
daily
heard of
basis
people
or a
making
weekly
hundreds of
basis,
thousands or even
depending on
millions
how comfortable
of
you are
dollars by
promoting
posting
or
videos
emailing
on
your
YouTube.
list. Me
But what a lot of
personally, I
people don't know
email
about is
my
that
list
these
every day,
successful
and it
YouTubers
provides
have to
me
work hard
with a daily
for
income.
months or even
Okay,
years.
so that's the
before
blueprint
started
for you.
earning money
In the following
from
videos,
YouTube.
I'm going to
So
get
what's
into
great
more
about the
detail on how to
blueprint
do
that I'm going to be
these
giving you
steps.
is